10 psychology techniques that help you succeed. 1. Learn the growth mindset. There is a strong link between success and the growth mindset, which is becoming stronger over time. The growth mindset was first introduced in the 1980s by Dr. Carol Dweck. It explains how people see their abilities. There are two types of mindsets: fixed mindset and growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe they are either good or bad at something and that this cannot change. For example, when someone says, "I'm good at math," or "I can't learn math," they have a fixed mindset. People with a fixed mindset often don't try hard, always want to prove themselves, might lie or cheat, grow very little, don't take action, focus too much on problems, don't accept responsibility. On the other hand, people with a growth mindset know success doesn't happen overnight. They believe intelligence, talent, and skills can be improved with effort. People with a growth mindset always try to learn and grow. Work hard, even if they have little talent. Don't give up after failure. Set challenges for themselves. Understanding that doesn't look very smart is part of learning. Believe skills can improve. Get closer to their goals. No matter how you define success, you need a growth mindset. 2. Surround yourself with successful people. If you want to develop a successful mindset, choose your friends and people around you carefully. You usually become like the 5 people you spend the most time with. It's hard to go beyond their level. You may want to earn more than your friends, but that's unlikely unless you change your behavior. Being around successful people helps you grow and try harder. 3. Practice grit. Persistence. On the road to success, you'll face failures and problems. To overcome them, you need grit, which means being strong and solving problems during hard times. Psychologist Angela Duckworth says grit is a mix of passion and persistence. If you stay on the path and don't give up, you'll avoid burnout and keep moving forward. 4. Be responsible. When you trust yourself, you move more confidently toward your goals. To protect your self-confidence, respect your own words, and take responsibility for your actions. For example, have you ever told yourself, "I'll eat healthy this week," but ended up spending the day on social media instead? Or said, "I'll learn English and memorize 5 words every day," but quit after 2 days? This happens when you don't take your words seriously. Be responsible for your goals and actions. 5. Take risks. To succeed more, train your mind to accept new and bold risks. This means living differently from most people. When you make changes in your life, you'll find new chances and get more success in return. 6. Learn from your past. Respect your past. Think about it and learn from it. But don't overthink it. Just look at what happened, learn, and move on. Don't get stuck in your feelings. Use meditation, deep breathing, or focus techniques to live in the present moment. 7. Keep learning all the time. Success is a never-ending journey, but our minds like to finish things quickly. To stay on track, always keep learning and apply what you learn. Being curious helps you remember old lessons, keep growing, and get ahead of others. 8. Be more positive. Be more grateful. Think positively and build a thankful mindset. Positive thinking helps your brain work better and opens new doors. 9. Improve your self-confidence. Low self-confidence leads to failure. People who don't believe in themselves give up after the first obstacle. But with strong self-confidence and skills, you'll believe in yourself deeply and can do amazing things. 10. Maybe you're not smart, but you can be hardworking. You can't choose to be smart, but you can choose to work hard. Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and other leaders are smart, but many successful people like Will Smith, Dana White, and billionaire Mark Cuban say they succeeded through hard work, not just intelligence. If others work 40 hours a week and you work 100, you will do in 4 months what they do in 4 years. Elon Musk.